Well, the major discovery is we found evidence of house floors made out of clay, where the Indians actually mined clay, they prepared it and laid it down in these flat surfaces. And that's pretty unique for Ohio. There really are no other sites where they have these kinds of house floors. So it shows us it was a very permanent site. People lived here maybe for months of the time, for several years over several centuries. We found a lot of bone remains, some burned and unburned bones, mostly of deer, different limb bones, parts of jaws, antlers, and then some small game animal bones of muskrat, a lot of squirrel bones, fish bone as well. They were doing some fishing. So that tells us about the kinds of foods they were eating. But they really seem to be specializing at this site in deer hunting and the processing of deer for meat, for the hides, and that type of thing. And then we also found a lot of burned hickory nutshell in the deposits, which tells us they were spending a lot of time collecting nuts, preparing them for food, storing them as well. And lots of deer, lots of nuts tells us they probably were here in the fall and into the winter, so it gives us some idea about what we call the seasonality of the occupation when they were here. And again, we think for months at a time.